Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. We're from Maqbool Solutions, a registered IT company, and today's video is specially made for store owners, business managers, and administrators. In this video, we're going to talk about Store Audit using the eSalesAnalyst software. Now, if you've been using this software for a while and want to perform a deep audit of your store, whether it's cash calculations, inventory checks, or overall reporting, this video best practice for auditing. Let's start with some best practices. Choose a day when the store is least busy. Night hours are ideal. Or, if you can, close the store for a while. That way, you'll have complete control over the audit. Before starting, it's highly recommended to do a financial closing. We've already shown how to do that in a previous video, but don't worry, it's not mandatory. You can still go ahead with the audit. And yes, make sure to print out important reports like sales reports, advantage reports, etc., so you have everything handy. Customer receivables. Let's begin with customer receivables. Check how much total amount is pending in the market. You can click on any customer to view their opening balance. If you find anything off, no problem, just update it directly. Once saved, the balance gets updated everywhere in the software. How cool is that? If a customer has zero balance and no transactions, you can safely delete them, but always leave a remark like not required. Hash supplier management. Next, head to supplier details. Check out all your suppliers and their payment status. If you've stopped working with any of them, guess what? You can delete them too. Staff accounts. Now let's look at staff accounts. Review balances and payment entries. If something seems missing or incorrect, don't worry. You can fix it right there and save it. Once all this is done, your dashboard will reflect accurate totals, especially your cash availability. Editing opening balances. Wondering how to update opening balances? For bank accounts, go to bank details. For customers, go to customer details. For suppliers, go to supplier details. And hey, if you haven't done a financial closing yet, you can still make adjustments through in-out transactions in account receivables. Audit preparation. Before starting the actual audit, double check these things. No pending purchase or sales bills. No pending returns. Are all physical items entered into the system? If any of this is missing, your audit results might not be accurate. Performing the stock audit. All right, time for the main parts. Go to Utilities Store Audit. 1. Click Add to start a new audit. You can name it something like Audit 2. 2. Once the name is set, do not press the plus again. 3. Start entering items. Either scan their barcodes or type the item names. For every item, compare the system stock with the actual physical stock. Enter the real physical quantity. Adjust by pieces, batches, or bundles. Yes, even 13.5 bundles. You can even update selling prices and add remarks or use formulas. Hash duplicate item handling. Oops, added the same item twice? Don't worry, the software will alert you. If you want to adjust the quantity, just open the item in another tab and change the numbers. Super easy. Generating audit reports. Once the audit is complete, go back to the audit list. Double-click on your audit, e.g. Audit 2, click on Report, and boom, you've got a full summary to print. This report clearly shows the difference between system stock and actual physical stock, including any overstock or understock situations. Whether you have 1,000, 2,000, or even 15,000 items, don't worry, their report will be right there for you. Now, if your business is without batch, meaning you haven't used the batch number option, then yes, this is the option you'll use for auditing. But if you want to do a batch-wise audit, then sorry, this method won't work. For that, you'll need to go to the stock section and click on the Add button. Whatever your product is, Panadol for example, you'll simply click on the product name and then head into stock. Want to increase the stock? Click on In. Need to decrease it? Go to Out. And yes, if you want to transfer stock from one batch to another, that option is available too. Just write the source batch here, enter the quantity, and then select the destination batch. You can also add any remarks if needed, and then just hit Save. After entering the name, you'll see the In option again. This is where you enter the quantity, whether it's 1 bundle, 2 bundles, or any other unit. And don't forget to choose the correct unit type, main or subunit like grams, milliliters, etc. write any relevant notes, and yes, save. Similarly, if you're looking to stock out, simply go to Out, type the batch number, the quantity, maybe a bundle or just a single piece. And that's it. Update accordingly. So this is how you manage a batch-wise audit using the stock module. Earlier, we saw how to audit items without batch numbers. And yes, that's accessible through Utilities Audit Detail. Now, let's talk about another way to do a batch-wise stock audit or balance your inventory. Once you've completed your financial closing and there are no more external entries pending, just go into the stock section, click any item, and voila, you'll see all the available batches with their exact quantities. And no, you won't be able to edit those. No new purchases, no manual adjustments, just the opening stock. Later, when you start assigning batches again, you'll be able to save the updated details. Let's say there's an item with multiple batches, maybe even some expired. You can manage those too. Simply click Edit, and if the purchase price is missing, you can enter that. If there's no expiry date, add it. So yes, after closing your business and finishing the audit, you'll have extra options at your fingertips. Set expiry dates, add purchase info, and more. Need an inventory report for 𝐒𝐽 calculation? Done. Just pull the report and everything will be there. Assets, liabilities, shareholder equity, all the key accounting data. And if you have a banner chart or any other reports, that's great. You'll be able to see your entire business picture in one go, perfect for 𝐒𝐽 planning and more. If anything feels unclear, don't hesitate. Just reach out to the team. In today's video, we explored in depth how to conduct a store audit, balance your stock, inventory, and accounts, and keep everything in check. Still have questions? No problem. The Maqbool Solutions team is always here to guide and support you. Until next time, bye-bye.